Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to use page drafts in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and the first thing that you need to do is that if you want to use page drafts, you need to have a Squarespace Enterprise plan. So for example, let's see the different plans right here in Squarespace. Just go to Settings, click Billing, click Subscriptions, click Website, and then click Subscribe. And then as you can see, we only have plans for the personal plan, the business plan, the basic plan, and then the advanced plan. So we don't really have the enterprise plan right here. So this is because the enterprise plan is a personalized plan that is specific to your company. So you can only do that by going here to squarespace.com/enterprise, and then you can see the different features right here if you want to have an enterprise plan. And then in order to avail of the enterprise plan, you need to contact Squarespace personally for this. So you need to fill in the form right here so that you can have a meeting with the enterprise team, and then they will come up with a price that will be personalized to your company. And then if you want to see where you can access page drafts, so from here, just go back to the dashboard and then go to website, go to pages, and then click on the settings icon right here on a page that you want to have a draft. For example, right here in the home page, you can scroll down and then you should see the create draft right here. Since I'm just using the free version of Squarespace, I don't really have that option. But I have here some examples of where you can see your page drafts. So when you go to the general settings of your page, you will have this create draft button. And then when you push that button or click that button, you will have a page draft right here below your specific page. So that means you have a page draft and then you have a published page. And then once you do that, you can go to that specific page and then do your editing. And then you can see some options right here that like you can save the draft, you can publish and replace the draft as well, or you can just discard the changes. So that is it. So if you are using the free version, we can do a workaround for this. So if we don't have the page draft right here, what we can do is that we can just duplicate the page, then click confirm. And then you can just name this as your draft homepage so that you still have a copy of your original published page, and then you now also have a page draft right here for your home page. So the name isn't changed, so let's change it right here in the navigation title as well. And click save. And then we can now see the home page, and it indicates that it is a draft page. So now you can do your changes, and then once you're done, you can just delete this homepage right here. So now you will replace that as your published page. So for example, what you can do is that if you're finished doing your changes to the draft page right here, you can just make this as your home page so that you can delete the other page right here. For example, this one, we can now delete this. And then since this is our previous draft page, and then now this is the published page, you can just remove the draft from its name, then save. And then that is it. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.